Alright, today's a fun topic. Can you find pleasure in pain?
I can't believe diamonds so pearls, and I'm gonna take you traveling the world. I can love you.
Can't keep up with this girl.
Yeah, I'm gonna love you.
I don't think it's the massage parlor that we're thinking about though. I think it's a different type of massage parlor.
I'll give you the whole of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you.
You know what I'm talking about. It's those back rubs that start off good and then they're a little bit painful and it's like bad, but it ends up being like, oh, so good. Now there's technique to this, and that's what we're talking about today. But before we begin, I need someone to snap me in.
Snap!
A good massage will hit all the right trigger points, and this causes pain. The solution is to wash that pain away. It feels incredible. So this is what happens to the body. The closer you get to that pain threshold, the more therapeutic the release is, and this is what makes deep tissue massage so amazing. But you want to stay below that pain threshold. Now, a good practitioner will get as close to the pain threshold as possible, and this creates the most delicious release. But how do you know what your partner's pain threshold is? That's actually pretty easy. It's a point at where they run away from your hands. Not like this. The more like they get squeamish and you see them moving away, trying to just trace away from your hands, they might get vocal. Tell you things like, hey, stop touching me, that hurts. Shit, what was it? And that was actually really good. Something about an afterglow. Washing out. Now this is a term that I made up to help couples understand the concept of what we're trying to do. You see, when you add pain to your partner's body, you want to wash that pain away as quick as possible. And your partner's left with this most amazing afterglow. It's absolutely epic. They get to chill and you get to go back to your relaxation and contouring strokes so you save your hands. Super clever. It's kind of good. Oh, and it releases endorphins and enkephalins. I mean, that's the whole point of this. It's like your deep tissue releases those happy feel-good hormones, and then you're washing out, your relaxation just allows that afterglow just to sit around for a few more seconds before you move on to the next part or the next body part. So can you massage beyond the threshold, like the pain threshold? And yeah, you can. I usually do this when friends and family keep asking me for massages, and I kind of want them to stop, but you can actually go beyond the pain threshold, but this takes a little bit more work from you. So when I go beyond the pain threshold, I have to motivate and talk and communicate with the person I'm massaging. So often I'd say, breathe with me, or I count down 3, 2, 1, and then I'll release, and we'll release together. So I'll go into relaxation strokes, and they will just let go as well. So you can go beyond the threshold, but for the novice, I don't recommend it. It's something that you really want to do after you get to know your partner's body. And keep shaking the camera. So there's my tips on how to make pain pleasurable. You actually really want to do this because it creates the most amazing back rub. Now the one thing that I missed out on is the techniques, but there's so much to cover. The best thing for you to do is go get my masterclass because it's all done there. 17 massage techniques, 3 back rub routines. We take you through all of this. We cover all of it. Now for you guys that already have my video series, go back, get to the advanced section, start practicing your deep tissue again and really focus on going in deep and then washing it away. Now, talk to your partner about their pain threshold. Have a listen to them and see if they moan or groan or tell you ouch or run away from you, because these are your telltale signs that you've reached their pain threshold. The more you practice, the better you get. Alright guys, go get your hands on each other. It's good for you. So I'm editing this week's video Someone wants to learn how to do it. Alright, you gonna copy these? You got that one? Oh, the thumbs? Oh, last one. Yes. Yes. Look at you. You're really good at this.
Now you've got a massage me.
I gotta massage you.
Is it still floating?
I'm so jet lagged.
Jet lag, what's that mean?
Alright, let me massage you then.
Could you do this?
Oh, you have to push back. You have to push back. There you go. Thumbs. Walking. Is that good? Right then. Oh, it's good, isn't it? It's good.
How did you learn to be such a good massager?
How did I learn?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a long time, over many, many, many years.
Like when you were 5?
No, maybe 8. Alright, you're done.
Oh, that's
Get out of here.
That.
You're done. What do you want?
So, Denis, please, can you massage me, please? I'll pay you 20 cents and $2.
It's a bargain. What do you think? Should I do it?
Yes.
For 2 minutes and 20 seconds?
Yes.
Alright, as long as it's just for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Otherwise, you're gonna have to bring out some more money. And bring in, like, I want to see, like, notes. Notes. None of this coins business.
Okay.
2 minutes and 20 seconds. Should we set a timer? Starting now. Alright, what are we doing for you today, young lady? Neck, shoulders? Do you have
Maybe the back. The
Back?
back.
Back and what?
Maybe the back and like the head.
Back and the head. Alright. Does that hurt anywhere in particular?
No.
So tell me, how's your day at work today?
I didn't really go to work, but I went to school.
You didn't go to work? Did you get fired at work?
No,
No, I heard you've been causing trouble at work.
I did not. Excuse me.
Yeah, I hear you've been chasing boys around with like a broomstick and a
No,
frog.
I didn't.
No?
We don't even have frogs.
Alright, you got 1 minute left. Oh, I'm so jet lagged. Alright, ears. Does ears feel good or weird?
Just kind of both.
Bit weird but good at the same time.
Yeah.
Maybe that's because your ears are really small. What about behind the ears? Right there.
Yeah, that's
Good?
good.
Would you recommend me to all your friends?
About like this.
Mhm.
Yeah. No.
No. And who's your best friend?
If I
Think carefully. Think
the,
carefully.
For the adults,
Uh-huh.
Denis.
Yeah. Uh-huh. And of
And
all
for
time?
And for children, at my school I like.
Oh, guess what? Guess what?
Oh, Jesus, a lot.
Your
Ow.
time is done. Done. Let me just style your hair quickly. Oh, you're so beautiful, huh? Don't touch it. Don't. It's amazing. You look amazing. I think I have a new profession. Don't touch the lens. Get your grotty mitts off it. You look great. I think I'm going to be a hairstylist. See ya. Alright, don't come back.
Hey, don't come back on me.
What, Sienna? What do you have?
Well, I got a $5 note for a $2, 50 cents, 20 cents, another 50 cents, $2, another $2, and we've also got a 10 cents.
This kid, she never stops. She just wants massages forever.
No, I don't. Well,
Are you gonna put that on
he's the
YouTube?
best massager ever.
Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
Say that again.
Dennis is a really good massager.
This is fantastic. If